Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of this report, notwithstanding the fact that he does not warranty or represent at any time that content within are accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumed no responsibility for error, omissions, or country interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slight of the specific person, people, or organization are unintentionally. In practical advice book, like anything else in life, there are no guarantors of the income made. Reader are cautioned to rely on the one judgment about their individual circumstance to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use of a source of legal, business, accountant, or finance advice. All leaders are advised to seek service of component professionals in legal, business, accounting, and finance field. You are encouraged to print this book for easy reading. Table of content. Forward Chapter 1 Outsourcing Basis. Chapter 2 Determine which people are best for your work. Chapter 3 Decided what should be outsourced. Chapter 4 Use project tracking. Chapter 5 Build strong relationship with workers. Chapter 6 Provide good feedback. Chapter 7 How outsourcing can help your business. Chapter 8 What you have to be careful with while outsourcing. Working. Forward. Simply put outsourcing in the moment of the workload or the another source which can provide assistance in the particular area or any agreed upon price, either as a one-time service or as an ongoing complementing service provider. In doing so, the principal company can effectively save on time, commitment of staff that could otherwise be used to other tasks and getting speed later work result. Get all the info you need here. Business outsourcing. A blueprint on successful business outsourcing. Chapter 1 Outsourcing Basis. Synopsis. Also know your customer or buyer. The company that is looking to outsource some of the workload will ideally approach other companies or individuals who are able to provide the particular service for a fee. The basis. This fee is usually much low commitment for the company when compared to having to physically set up the mechanism that would be needed to get the particular job done within the existing company's makeup. Therefore, through the action of outsourcing, the cost saving is evident. Besides this there are also advantage of the not having to allocate staff to the particular task, which may lead to general disturbance in the current flow of the work environment. The outsourcing exercise generally acquired from the source outside the physical realm of the company and at the physically different location. Sometimes it is even sourced from a different country where it is more cost effective than to have the same work done within the company current makeup of expertise. The beginnings of the outsourcing style of getting work done using outside contributing help was first invented the country of Japan. This style was made popular through the demand of the various different components with the business makeup having to contribute to one singular goal with how to actually having all the expertise under one entity, thus the birth of the outsourcing style. Later, other countries started copying this style simple because of the cost effective and time saving elements. Chapter 2, determine what people are best for your work. Synopsis. Most companies face the challenge of keeping escalating cost down while still maintaining the highest of standard in order to stay competitive in doing so. Their companies would have to look into area that can benefit, and one option to consider and is currently being widely used is the outsourcing tool. Make some choices. Without the possibility of using the assistant of an outsourcing company, the principal company would have to consider elements such as hiring, training, and administration, benefit, abstention, workspace, and equipment. In some cases, such expenses would save me more burdensome than they welcome to the next option would be to consider outsourcing. The following are some points to consider when determining what's best. Expertise. Identifying in the relevant provider in particular field and ensuring the best possible price is agreed often for the service rendered would be the first step to take. The outsourcing company chosen should ideally be an authority in its particular field. Management not having to micromanage a particular segment of the overall project simple because it has been taken care through the outsourcing platform can be quite a relief both mental and physically for all involved in the project as well whole. Personally, flexibility, being able to hire an outsourcing company that work on a project to project base would be better than having to hire someone only to have to let them go when the project is over. The cost incurred for hiring personnel on short-term contract can be significantly higher as for the work there is no job security. Thus the demanding for higher baggage in common and expected. There are also services provided by companies that can link the virus want to the need of other companies. Hiring such company to find a suitable partner in the outsourcing exercise would definitely benefit as a service provided would be tailor-made to the requirement of both parties. Chapter 3. Decide what should be outsourced. Synopsis. Making the decision to outsource is usually not one to be taken lightly. One should be aware that anything done by vehicle of the business entity with the reflect directly on it in terms of quality of the end product being made. What will be sent out? Although in almost all cases, especially if it has been built throughout out, the money save very significant needed when the service of an outsourcing company is used. This is manually because the chosen outsourcing company is ideally supposed to be able to provide the expertise and technologies that would not be available within the principal company itself. However, both parties should be committed and the monitoring process will take time and energy, but once the standard and expectations are well established and understanding the outcome can be very workload included. The more popular areas that are normally sought for outsourcing purpose are as follows. IT functions. When business expands, there may be the need to stay current, especially within the IT world. If the business entity did not initially require any IT intensive contribution, then the initially setup of the business entity would not have configured the elements into the general makeup of the company, thus the need to outsource. Business process and HR. Here again, as the business explained, or even if there is no real need to have the actual full-time employment of such expert in the place, the outsourcing service can be sought. Such activities can be outsourced when and if needed, and it also provided for expert on specialized skill. Finance outsourcing audition function is common, and this can be for future extended or outstanding accounting function of a company. Elements such as bookkeeping, tax management, and invoicing could easily be done through the outsourcing platform. Chapter 4. Use project tracking. Synopsis. Project tracking is not about being able to completely a project within the stipulated time the firm with satisfying result, budgeting, and good management skill. By using the project tracking exercise, the idea is to ensure everything is optimized and even better, and expected result should prevail or at least present a possibility of this in the next endeavor. Track it. When a project involves the coordination or the contribution of several different parties, and contributions, as a lot of confusion can acquire to the detailed timeline when there is not coordination and tracking done. The tracking exercise have many benefits to, and below are just some of the reasons why it is necessary to have this in any project, keeping in the time ahead to at all time. The tracking exercise help to keep each contributing party full aware of their time to lot of ensure that the party of exercise is completed properly. If there are any problem or discrepancy occurring within the time frame given, the tracking exercise will allow for this to being highlighted, and thus making it possible for the necessary action to be taken. Tracking also helps to indicate when a particular contributing factor is not yielded in the effect it was initially designed to do, thus causing some level of inefficiency. Saving of time and effort can be made when the original design is changed or tweaked to facilitate better productivity and eventually success. The tracking mechanism can also help to detect properly functioning section or personnel within the project, thus either replacing them or reminding them of the commitment expected of them. This is an especially effective way of ensuring all concerned are full contributing to the success of the project. The tracking exercise can also help the identify area where cuts can be made to make the general outcome even more cost effective, and thus generating a higher profit percentage. Chapter 5. Build strong relationship with workers. Synopsis. A big part of ensuring a company is well run and making profit is evident in how to it keeping those working at the company happy. Happy worker usually good working environments, and therefore better quality of work is produced. Relationships. The key to creating an ideal platform for the working environment lies in the ability to build a strong relationship with the workers. When the strength of the relationship is evident, the loyalty level of the workers is also much higher, and this is a very important motivational factor. Workers are more likely to go the extra mile for employees who are caring and are concerned about their comfort and the working environment. Some of the practices that can foster strong working relationships are noted below. The manner is which order as given very important, thus one should adapt the The attitude for asking rather than telling someone to get something done. Being clear with instruction and what is expected is also something that is highly regarded in the mechanism of getting the cooperation of the others. Clarity ensuring focus at a goal centering work attribute. Attitude being polite is a great way to gain the cooperation and respect of those working within the project. Without politicians, there is a very real possibility of creating animosity with those people who are supposed to be ideal working together toward the same successful end. This animosity can be the usually does cause to working environment to be severely affected, thus effectively damaged in the relationship with the workers. Learning to refer by their name is one of the best way to warm their hearts. It project is perception of the importance. Recognizing and ensuring that there is no infringement of the private time of the workers is important. Creating workload that often require the workers to stay back late, thus eating into the one private time will create resentment and the not good building strong relationship. Chapter 6. Provide good feedback. Synopsis. Providing feedback is one way to getting people to improve on the current work contribution and also getting people to be more aware of how they can improve. However, the feedback exercise should be done in manner that is neither of the finish nor consideration. Frequent feedback given if done with good interaction and the constructive manner, we will help business or individual eventually make the necessary improvement which is well then reflected in the elevated success ratio. Feedback. Most company and employees value feedback, especially if it given in a timely manner. Where there are problem or expectation not going the first design and feedback provided can sometimes help to shed light on the shortcoming and particularly contributing factor. This is very important, especially when the business projection are not being met and even worse or no deadline. Decline. By the feedback given, all involved able to take step back the view situation from the viewpoint of the feedback source, therefore acquiring better understanding and making the necessary adjustment will be easier. Striking a good balance in the committing habit is also encouraged in most cause feedback is only given the something negative has acquired good feedback is also equally important of if not more. This is mainly because it will edify the person, group, or company, thus suffering them on the work even harder. Providing good feedback can also be done in the form of dialogue. Very often, the feedback is given very much a one-side manner. This is often not helpful to the receiving party if there is little they can do to change the current situation. Therefore, if the feedback is done in a open dialogue style, both parties are better able to understand the situation and work out a solution. Chapter 7. How outsourcing can help your business. Synopsis. There are a lot of metrics to using the outsourcing style to keep the smooth running of any business mechanism, and it is become more popular to seek the kind of help due to positive contribution to the business as well whole. How it helps. The following are some of the reasons why outsourcing can benefit a business mechanism. Perhaps the most important contributing factor would be the one factoring to the cost. If your company had to explore the possibility of setting up a separately department for a particular part of the overall work producer need for the project and at hand. It end up being a rather costly affair. This is mainly due to several issues such as the hiring of new staff, the availability of space for the new worker and the project they take on, the resource and possibility assistant tools of the may be needed and many more other connectivity element. All the win measured against making the choose to use outsourcing options will in most cases prove to be cost effective. The company can then focus all its effort in other areas, thus bringing the business to more competitive level in the market. More time can be spent on making the product or business more visible and thus garnering more revenue to the company. There is also no need to have to fill documentation there would otherwise have to be done behalf hiring the birds to work to sever in the project. This is a disadvantage when the service of the work area only for a short period of time which does not justify the effort for the above mentioned document process. Faster process can be expected with the use of the outsourcing option as the expertise provided will be based on the outsourcing capability and contribution. Chapter A. What you have to be careful with while outsourcing. Synopsis. The following are some reasons why outsourcing may not present the best options of the choice for the business engine per se. Some tips. One of the foremost concern when choosing the use any outsourcing company in the almost immediate loss of complete control over the function and management of the particular part that is being outsourced. Through outsourcing company will do the job and require as their reputations are also on the line in the standard and mission that they drive the customer may not be shared by the outsourcing entity as they have no budget interest in the out company as a whole. The outsourcing company's concern would be the profit they make out of the service rendered and the quality for their contribution and almost nothing else. Most contract draw the between principal and the outsourcing company is done to the advantage of the outsourcing entity. Therefore, any problem that arise within the relationship and the work produced will require an outsourcing mediator to handle and this will incur further cost for the principal company. Then there is also the fact that any additional requirement not originally stated in the contract would incur further cost, thus perhaps making the whole endeavors cost effective as compared to doing it in-house. Security and confidentiality is also another fact to be considered, especially when the outsourced work is of a sensitive nature. Competitor will be only too happy to indulge an outsourcing company for information operating to issue that may prove to be of help to them. In most cases, loyalty it is not part of the deal when outsourcing assistance in South. Warping off. As anything, there are advantages and disadvantages in the outsourcing option present non-difference. Before any particular choice is made, either way, the individual should first take the time to explore and understanding both views before actually making a decision.